a challenge for you. So in this video, we're gonna be doing things just a little bit differently. In this video, I wanna get you playing something using 4 particular chords. And the whole reason behind this is because I want you to know that you can make beautiful music, even if you've never played a piano before. So let's get started. So your ingredients, your musical ingredients are C chord. So if you find C on the piano, you could play just an open chord like this, or you could play all 3 notes. So you got a C chord, and then you're going to have an F chord. So this is F, it uses F, A, and C. You can play them in any order you like, up high, down low. So we've got C, we've got F. We're going to also use A minor, which is A, C, and E. Again, you can play those notes in any order you like. And then the final chord is G. So, to give you some inspiration, I'm actually going to go get some friends from around the office. We're gonna give them these 4 chords and then see what they come up with. And I think it'll be really, really neat to discover how each person comes up with something very unique and individual. So here we go. Okay, so Jackie, we're doing something fun called the Creative Piano Challenge. And I would like to invite you to be challenged.
Okay.
I promise it will be fun.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, let's do this. All right, so Jackie has limited playing experience.
Yeah.
Like, you know where the notes, the keys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Roughly.
So here's what we're doing, Jackie, because Jackie had no idea I was going to be grabbing her. We are working on a challenge. So I'm going to give you 4 chords.
Okay.
And then I just want to see what you can do with them.
Oh no.
Oh no. It's fun, it's fun.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna be using C chord. Do you know where C is? That's great, good. Okay, so we've got C and then we're gonna be playing F.
Oh, down?
You doesn't matter, I
Okay.
liked your instinct, go with it. Okay, and then A minor. Yeah, and then G. Okay, those are your 4 chords.
Okay.
So here's the questions you have to ask yourself.
Okay.
Do you wanna play in the middle, down low, or up high?
I like the middle, I think.
Okay, middle's good.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe we start on C and then you just decide on a rhythm.
Oh dear. Okay.
Yeah, this is,
So like,
yes. Oh, good. Keep going.
and then keep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Okay, so the one more thing I want to challenge you with
Okay.
is somewhere in there, play just a few extra notes. So what I mean by that is, you're working beautifully on your chords, right? Mm-hmm. So maybe you want to you could pick any of the white keys and they'll sound good.
Okay.
And then you can go to your next chord. Yes, I love it. Yes, keep going. Yes, good. Ooh, almost. This one.
Ooh.
A. Yes. Yes. And then you go back to C.
Okay.
Ah, yes, that's so good. Okay, I love that so much. Thank you, Jackie. You did amazing.
Thank you.
So now we are going to go grab Scott, because Scott is going to be completely different what Scott comes up with. He's been playing the piano for quite a long time, but I've not told him or given him any warning as to what he's about to do. So let's go grab him. Oh, hey, Scott. So we're doing a thing called the Creative Piano Challenge.
Okay.
And I thought that since you are the marketing manager of Pianote, it would make sense to involve you in this challenge.
Okay.
So I was wondering if you would be willing to come to the studio to be challenged, but we'll have fun, I promise.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Okay, so I have Scott here. Scott, how long have you been playing the piano?
Since I was 7.
Okay, so you understand how this works.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing is a challenge. So I'm
Okay.
giving everybody 4 chords, and then
Okay.
I just want to see what you do with those 4 chords. So you can
Okay.
do any rhythm, anything. You can get crazy if you want.
Okay.
Okay, so here's your 4 chords.
All right.
C,
Yep.
F,
Yep.
A minor,
Yep.
and G.
White notes. All white
Yes.
notes. Okay.
So we're keeping it really simple.
All right.
So what are you gonna do?
Do I get like time to Explore?
Yeah, let's explore.
Oh, this is it? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. We are exploring. This is
Okay.
the exploration.
Do you want any?
We are sharing the journey.
Okay. Alrighty. And I don't have to play any order. Like I don't have to play C, F, A minor, G. I can change the order.
If you want to change the order,
Okay.
then I think you should feel free to change the order. Okay, it's already sounding awesome.
That's all right. Is that what you wanted?
Yes, that's amazing. It's not supposed to be perfect, Scott.
Okay.
Because no human being is perfect. We aren't robots, okay? I just literally gave you 4 chords and said play.
Okay.
That was incredible.
They're nice 4 chords. They're very nice 4 chords.
They're very nice 4
Yeah.
chords. And I was just wondering if you maybe you should come teach some lessons for piano based on what I just saw there. Scott could spend a good amount of time, I think, getting lost in these chords.
They're beautiful
Like
chords.
if we had
I
nothing
like
to do,
them.
you could just sit here and play this. Like I bet you
Well,
left
they're
your
like-
own
yeah, I
devices,
mean,
you'd be here
like-
for hours.
There's 4 chords. They all sound good together.
So the options are limitless.
Yeah.
And you just kind of create a little theme with your right hand and you just
Yeah. Just riffs.
Just
That
riffing around.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Okay, Scott.
Cool. Am I good? Am I done?
I'm gonna give you 5 stars.
Thank you.
You get a sticker.
Oh, wow.
I'll find one for you
Okay.
around the office
I
somewhere.
think we have piano stickers.
We do have
now.
piano stickers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a piano sticker.
Thank you.
I'll give one to Jacquie too. Everybody gets a sticker. Okay, so thank you so much. This has been awesome.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. We've got one more for you. We're gonna head up and get Dave, who is a drummer. So I feel like it's gonna be a completely different perspective with what he comes up with. Well, hello, Dave.
Well, hello, Lisa.
So here's the thing.
Oh, I'm on camera.
You're on, yes.
Okay.
We're filming something called the Creative Piano Challenge.
The Creative Piano Challenge.
Yes, and I feel like you could bring your unique drummer's perspective
Okay.
to this challenge. So I was wondering if you'd be willing to just join me in Studio B for a challenge.
Oh, come to the studio.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, great.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Okay, so here I am with Dave.
Hi.
Dave is a drummer. Dave is Drummio Dave.
I'm a drummer. I'm not a piano player.
But you know how to play the piano.
I have played a little bit of piano, yes, but not lots.
So here's what's happening, Dave.
Okay.
Because Dave does not know what's happening. I'm giving you 4 chords,
Okay.
and you are just going to create something with these 4 chords.
So I just write anything?
Write anything, any rhythm.
And is there a progression you want me to go through, or can I choose which
You
order I
can
play?
go in the order I give them to you, or you can put them in any order you like.
Okay, and are these easy chords?
You're
They're
gonna-
not like 7ths and 9ths and add 13ths?
Let me just tell you what they are.
Okay. Let's do it.
C chord.
Oh, I can do that one.
Good, okay.
Okay.
F,
Okay.
A minor, and G.
And G.
Okay, those are your 4 chords.
A minor,
Yes,
C,
Yes.
F,
yes.
and G.
Yes.
Okay, has anybody else done this? Can I hear their version?
No, the point is that you're not supposed to, because we want to hear what you come up with that is uniquely you.
Okay, so let me, first thing I'll do is I'll just play the chords back to back and see if I like the progression that I just did.
Okay.
And then there was A minor.
Very nice, Dave. So far, so good.
So far, so good. How about if I start on the G? Can I do the little things like...
I want you to just do the things.
I think I like the G to the A then to the F to the C. Is that what I
Okay.
did? I think I'm going to go with that.
Okay, you do that.
Oh, I didn't like that. Whoops.
There's no wrong notes.
I'm hitting all the wrong notes.
There's no wrong notes,
Okay,
Dave.
this is my song.
That made my heart happy. That was so
Oh, man. So let me guess, I probably played a lot heavier than the other.
Well, I wasn't gonna mention the heavy hands. I think it might be a drummer thing.
Okay,
So you don't have to hit the piano, Dave.
there you go.
That's
Love
fine.
it. Great,
Thank
great,
you so much, Dave.
great challenge.
All right.
Yeah,
We'll see you
cheers.
around the office. Now it's time for you to go and shine. So take these 4 chords, C, F, A minor, and G. See what you come up with. Video record yourself. Share with us. We're going to share these videos on our platforms. You can find us on Instagram at Pianote Official. Comment below if you want to paste like a YouTube link where you record this yourself and you want to share this on YouTube. You can just paste that link in the comments below this video. And just before I leave you, I'm going to play around with these chords too. So here we go.